My favorite brand. Tuchado Arabic. Siko. Kunin mo na boy, mahal na yan boy sa sunod boy. Every 6 months adjust price, right? Up.
Not above under too much. After 6 months, it is way up.
Ngayon mo na kunin.
Gila boy, pang regalo sa sarili.
Okay.
460. 450.
Okay, plus 60. So, cut your hand.
Ano ang naano mo?
Oh, ganda ng bili ng tropa oh.
500.
560. The original price 560.
400.
460.
Oh, maganda. Bari.
Maliit ka man.
Pabili na si Jesse Boy. This one, what this one?
42.
42 this one? 42 Hindi niya ako wala. That one?
Congrats mo.
One, maybe 41.
41.
Sunod din yan sa amin.
Nagkita pa isip siya kanina.
Oo eh.
Alam mo,
Yung mukha niya, ano eh, yung
tulog. Yung napaisip niya.
kumot eh.
Tay na naman yung pira ko nito.
Hindi, yung mukha.
This one,
Nag-isang
what name this one?
Sapa.
Yung guarantee.
Guarantee?
Maganda
Mas
din
mura
yun,
ka
sir.
ngayon.
Maganda din yun siya.
Maganda yan boy.
Ano kaya? Binata. Tapos regalo sa sarili. Gusto ko nga kaso wala akong pira. Ano ko na lang.
Naalala ko yung kasyo ko dati ganito eh.
Ganyan din gusto kong bilhin boy. Edipist. No other design Edipist?
No, only this one.
Only this one?
Now coming, ممكن يجي after 5 days هذا guess.
Guess? Guess brand?
Yeah, guess brand. That's brand before here, but now maybe that's nice.
Palit na mo mga kapwa. Talagang mga regular eh. All original. That's me. And this is not me. I like GMT.
Nice.
But too much expensive now, huh? This is not acceptable.
Real time? Ano ba pin time?
Kini mo GMT. GMT. What price GMT mo there?
2,320 after discount G 2,100.
2,100.
50 riyal.
GMT.
Nalay kayo, di ba? Oo, kabulan mga gente mo na.
No, nakasulat to. GMT. Jason the Vlogger and Mr. Cute. John Bird and Jesse Boy. Nadali ko si Jesse Boy. Dalawang nadali ko. Mudir, anak alam, buy these two guys. Next time I come, too much discount, ha? Remember my face.
I give you money. Ano معلوم على طول.
Ayo.
Ada commission ah.
I give you.
All. What name this
What was it?
Rawazer? Aywa, this one. Bawazer.
Alam this one vlogger modern.
What was here?
Bawazer.
This one guy is entertainment.
Yes.
Ada vlogger.
Ada vlog. Famous vlog.
The other guy name here, Abdullah.
سعيد. عبد الله خلاص now come here.
Ma piso
عبد
ko
الله
sila.
now you orc another another shop. Now سعيد أخو عبد الله.
I think maybe tomorrow too much customer here because
Aywa.
this one is vlog now.
Yes.
Yes.
So that's why you
Kam
give the
kabayan,
discount.
kabayan, iji hina ba'wasir.
Bawasan, aywa.
Alam, ba'wasir.
Too much kabayan come here because you know if they see this vlog,
Ah,
aywa.
this is me. This is not me.
Aywa. Welcome back here in here.
Sada kanya. Nadali ko si GC Boy, nakabili.
Patahimik-tahimik lang may ano.